Welcome to Insight, the leadership development platform. After you create your Insight account, you'll see our Getting Started wizard. Use this screen to invite employees to your organization. Everyone you add will receive an employee survey. Their survey responses give Insight the information it needs to help guide your leadership development efforts. After you add your team, you're ready to send an employee survey. The survey goes to your entire company. You will also receive a copy of the survey. This gives you a way to easily compare what you value to what your team values. When you send a survey, Insight will email team members with instructions. Insight tracks who has responded to the survey, as well as what responses each person gave. On average, it takes about 5 minutes to complete the survey. Once team members respond to the survey, you will see survey reports and action plans that show you how to improve as a leader. Survey reports show you key insights and trends in how employees responded to your survey. You will see your survey status, response rate, and your team's engagement score. A team response heat map breaks down employee responses by teams and individuals so you can see what people care about at a glance. You can also see which employees are feeling the best about work, who wants more out of work, and which employees are at risk of leaving. Finally, a survey response heat map shows you how many employees gave specific responses to each survey statement. The historical report shows survey trends over time. You can compare how engaged your team is at work to the number of leadership actions you've taken with team members. You can also see how different aspects of work are valued and rated by team members. Insight builds action plans based on employee survey responses. These plans prioritize the actions you should take with each employee based on what they value and how they perceive the world. Following these action plans will give company leaders a specific path for leadership development tailored to what employees need most. It's free to get started with Insight, but our leadership guidance is invaluable. Use Insight to build great leaders who engage their teams.